In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a Telegram account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign in to your Telegram account. Once you're on your Telegram account, go ahead and select the conversation of that specific individual that you want to report on Telegram. Now in here, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. So once I click on these three dots at the top right corner of my screen, I'll be able to check a drop down where I can find this option. So as you can see in here, I can only mute video call, search, change wallpaper, and clear history along with deleting this conversation. As you click on the specific name of that user and click on the top right corner of your screen, the only option that you have is to block this user, and there's no available options for you to report this user. So the only thing that you can do is to head over to the help and support of Telegram and try to report this specific individual using the help and support chat of Telegram. And that's how you can simply report someone on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.